Welcome to AIBOTE, a leading water purifier factory in China. We have been OEM and ODM water purifier for around 20 years, so we brand worldwide. I'm Tina. I will show you around our factory. Let's go. Welcome to our injection workshop. Automation helps us ensure high efficiency and consistent quality. Here is our raw material warehouse. Most of our materials like ABS and PP are carefully selected for high quality. Here is our model storage area. Models are a big investment of a factory and play a very important role in manufacturing. High-quality models ensure precise and consistent production of water purifier. For more information, feel free to contact us and follow us for more videos.